I'm getting ready to go to Baby's Ride Out. And one thing that I don't know how to do yet is to plug a tire. And because we're riding in a big group, I want to know that. So Barrett's gonna get me all set up with a tire plug kit. And I'm about to have my first lesson. Hopefully I won't need this lesson, but just in case.
So you picked up this screw in the road. So now what's happened? Your tire's screwed and so are you. Let's make a hole.
Okay.
Here's our tire, picked up a screw. Hopefully in your roadside toolkit you have a screwdriver, both regular and Phillips. This time, we need a Phillips. First thing you're going to want to do is just take the screw out.
So I think now I should be the one doing this. Yeah. Oh, this is our tire
plug kit. Those are the plugs. This is the one it is.
And these are the plugs.
Comes with plugs, a little bit of rubber cement, a hole reamer. Got to ream our holes, ladies and gentlemen. And then the plug insertion tool. It's super easy to do. What you want to do is you got the screw out, take your tire reaming tool, which is that, come over to the hole, and it sounds weird, but the first thing you need to do is to make the hole bigger. So that's got to be run in and out. And it works as a file, so you're going to want to jam it down in and out, really ream that hole. And this will be easier when it's actually on the bike and the tire is not 25.
So here's my question. No, if I get a flat, what are the first things I will notice as I'm riding? Like the noise will change. I will feel
the motorcycle
bike less
handling is going to
responsible.
change. It's going to almost feel like you're riding in sand. It's going to lose the ability to track nicely on the road. And that tire is probably not the best candidate for practicing on. Here, you want me to jam that down in there? And a little bit bigger to accept the plug.
So many jokes.
They're
many
endless.
Jokes.
They're endless. All right, so that's good.
Okay.
Okay, now usually what I'll do, because the whole time you've been doing this, the tire's been leaking, is I leave that stuck in there.
Okay.
Just to plug up the hole to preserve as much air as you can, because you're gonna have to reinflate this tire, keep in mind. So that either means a small hand pump, which are available, or one that you plug into the bike and it runs off from 12 volts. We wanna set up this plug. We would have done this before we reamed it, okay? We would have set up this tool. So use a short one of those, and you're gonna feed it right through the eyelet, just as if you were threading a needle.
It's like this.
Try and get that as little amount of dirt on it as possible. So don't set it on the ground or anything. Just pull it straight, and it'll peel right out of there.
Okay.
Okay.
Practice makes the best of it, right?
Yeah. And once you get that started in there, if you had a pair of pliers, you could pull it through with a pair of pliers.
Okay,
too.
like
about
this.
halfway through. Yep.
Okay.
Now you're going to take the rubber cement. Yep. And you're going to squirt a little bit on the plug near where it's on the tool. So around this area here. And that works to seal the tire and gives it some lubrication to help go into the hole.
Okay. So I'm going to put it like this. Like that?
Yep, a little bit there, a little bit there.
Ooh.
It'll make a mess and that's fine.
Okay.
Okay. Yep.
All right.
Okay, now
I'm guessing.
Now you would pull that out and then stick that one in there.
Ooh, it smells like...
It's going to go in there tough. You're going to have to work it.
And then once it starts going in, you need to go slow with it so that you don't go all the way through. I mean, you really got to give it to it.
No, don't twist, don't
Oh,
twist.
don't twist.
You'll rip the plug. Here, let's put this tire on the ground so you can get right down on it. Because that's, in a real situation, that's where it's going to be anyways. Yep, and then you... There it goes. See? And then push it down until it's, you know, a good amount's in there.
Okay.
And then grab right onto that and just yank it out fast.
Okay, let's...
And then you just yank it straight up, nice and quick. There you go. And your plug's in the tire.
Uh-huh.
Now you take a knife,
Okay.
trim that off flush.
There you go.
There you go.
Got a little...
It'll be fine. The road rubbing on it will wear it, will wear it down.
Okay. So guys, we gave up. I tried, Barret tried, but it won't go in. This tire is very old, as he's telling me, and it's hard as a brick. But important thing to take away from this is that I now know what to do, and hopefully I won't need, but in an emergency situation, I can take over and fix the tire temporarily. Of course, plugging a hole like that is temporarily. Best thing to do is to stop at the nearest, or what's the professional called? The person who fixes tire.
Tire person.
The tire person. The borracheiro in Portuguese is the borracheiro. Anyways, my whole life I needed to change tires in a vehicle twice. The first time I was in college, it was my roommate's Fiat Uno, had a flat tire, and nobody in the house knew how to do it, and I wing it and did it perfectly because I knew the concept, I knew the theory, never had a chance to practice. The second time, it was my dad's S10 back in the beginning of the 2000s, and I did all until the part that I had to grab the spare tire from under the truck, and then I didn't have the muscles to do it, and I called the neighbor. So there, figured it out back then. I'm sure I can figure it out now. What are we doing now, baby? You're gonna set me up a little kit so I can take it with me to Babes Right Out and in my motorcycle kit.
You just need to find something to inflate the tire again.
Ooh, we need that.
We'll come up with something. Probably a small hand pump.
All right, guys. Hope you like this little video. Thank you for watching us. Leave your comment or your likes, and see you next time.
Bye.